Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwasku, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Kailangan pinabigyan na kami, miso nung malyari mo pinakita na ka, please, tuning na mamalyari. Adwa ka tamong may sabi, yung kaluguran na kapilang beses ko lang sinabi. Ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, yung puso ay alas. Sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may pik, hindi na naskuga, kadyo panayati. Noong balo mo mo sana, huwag nagawang kulli, ay nisabihan ko na kaluguran na ka kasi. Noong may pulong mahut, lalo kung manasakit, basta ikasaya ka at nagkamanasakit. Ngayon ang buri mo, apalamdaman ko, manamdaman ko, tama dito, pataminan ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alala kong luwanan o papawal ko.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita. Kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit. Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa. Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa. Sitwasyon ko na sa karkabyadong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan. Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan. Hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mampraning. Pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masaktan. Ayokong umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to studio I can mouth it. She's saying he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a dream and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa'kin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak. Bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ng pagpatak